Why homebrew when you can easily buy all the delicious craft beer you really want? Well, I recently asked that question to an award winning homebrewer and beer expert. Now, be sure to watch to the very end to hear how homebrewing makes her feel.
Do we eat the same thing every day or go to the same restaurant every day? No. And the reward of the hobby, right? When I've got a carboy bubbling away, I can hear it, I can see it, I can smell it, it's developing. Homebrewing's way beyond the brew day to me. It's the process, getting the ingredients ready for the brew day, then watching this batch, nurturing the batch, go along in its journey, then bottling it, kegging it, and drinking it or giving it to people as gifts. I go across the street, I give people homebrew, not a meal like a lasagna. If somebody has had a baby, or frankly, if somebody's passed away, a homebrew from me to somebody else is one of the most meaningful things that I can give to another. So, yeah, I got amazing craft beer in my fridge because I don't drink the same thing every day, but I also love something always brewing in my household. It helps me feel even more at home because home brewing is a part of being at home.
Now, this was part of a longer event series on how much fun homebrewing can really be. It was full of clips of various homebrewery setups, and I'll put a link to it up here in the cards and in the description. Please also consider giving this video a like and help keep us on the air through Patreon support. Also, please share with me your top takeaway down in the comments below.